Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting ADI Edifact files to PDF. You can see on my computer I have ADI files. I can double click on it to open it into ADI viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside ADI file. And you can see I have my data here. And also I can filter records if I want to. I can export into different format as well. So I will be converting this ADI file to PDF with application I'll install from my website. This is my website. I will leave the link on this site into description. To find application, I click on search and type ADA. And I need this Edifact page. And I click ADA to PDF. And then click on download button. I'll be recording more videos on Edifact format and different ADI converters. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, I'll be running this application from UI like normal user, but this application can be run from command line if you want to convert like a lot of ADI files to PDF formats, or have jobs that converts every ADI file that appears into some folder into PDF. So you can do this with this application, and here it is like how to do it from command line. So you can see archive has been loaded, and click on it. Then double click on MSI Send Archive to start the installation, and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3-step process. In step 1 we will select the ADI files we want to convert. I can select multiple files if I want to convert, but for test purposes I will select just one file. And after file select, I click on next step. Here I can specify how I want to convert that. So it can be converted as a table with all records, and I can specify document size. But ADA file is like very wide. It has a lot of things in there. Let's specify A1 first. Here I also you can see there are a lot of fields, right? So for example, if I want to have only a couple of fields, right? Let's select A4 and let's select fields we want to text literal, subject, quantity, like this. Just a couple fields. We don't need we just need literal and quantity, and we see what we will do. So it's asking for name and location of the file. This name location is okay. Save. Let's open these files. And you can see it has a name, literal and quantity into PDF, right? I can select like everything and convert it. Let's select everything. Select all, A1, large format. Save. Double click. Yeah, and it's a large table, right, with all data in it. So I can create large table and see which columns I need for my PDF, and select only that columns that I need, and only they will be selected. Another option is to select cards. Cards are like it will create little table for every record. And it will be one record, another record, another record, not like a wide table, but it's more like narrow table. Let's do this. But probably let's select A4 again. So A1 is largest, A4 is smallest. Let's save. Yeah. So this is, you can see it has just one record with all data, right? Then another record with all data fields in there, and another record in all fields, and another one, and something like this. It's a different way. Just I personally use it as I can select fields I need and just create PDF, and that's it. But yeah, if you have any questions, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more app like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.